Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today report, we have to take a look at three very important stories. First, a tragic ambush that left 3 civilians dead in Tambura County. Second, a strong appeal from Nasir County Commissioner for better police support. And the latest update in the special court trying Dr. Machar, where a major legality question is checking the court credibility. Stay with us for full detail, and before we begin, please subscribe to Changfied and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates and breaking news. Let's start with our first headline from Tambura County. A sad story from Western Equatoria State has emerged. Local authorities in Tambura County say 3 civilians were killed in deadly ambush on Sunday morning. According to Acting County Commissioner Moses Mercy Sede, the victim, 1 woman and 2 men, were traveling from Tambura town to Sinawiri village for a funeral. Unfortunately, they never made it. Unidentified gunmen reportedly opened fire on them along the Tambura Yubu Road, killing all 3 on the spot. Tere said, and I quote, "The 3 people were on their way to Yubu for a burial when unknown gunmen opened fire on them. Unfortunately, all 3 died instantly." He accused the SPLIO of being behind repeated attacks in the area. He added that civilians have been living in fear because of killing, gunfire, and looting. Commissioner Sere appealed to the army group to stop attacking innocent people and respect the people agreement. Local source too reported that the attack happened around 7:30 a.m. on October 12. The gunmen reportedly took the victim motorcycle and mobile phones. All the victims were young, between 19 and 30 years old. Community members have condemned the killing and are calling on the government and peace monitor to act quickly to protect civilians. Meanwhile, the police commissioner of Western Equatoria, State Major General Philip Madutong, said his office had not yet received an official report but promised that an investigation will be opened soon. Civil society activist Edmund Yakani described the attack as a serious human rights violation. He said ongoing confrontation between the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, and SPLIO in Tambura must stop and be replaced by dialogue. He said, and I quote, "If there are differences, they should be resolved through dialogue, not violence." The SPLIO group in the area could not be reached for comment. Once again, 3 innocent lives lost, 1 woman, 2 men killed while on their way to attend a burial. A heartbreaking reminder that peace is still far away in some corner of South Sudan. If you are watching from Western Equatoria, our thoughts are with the families of the victim. This Changfied News bringing you stories that matter. Before we move to our next story, please take a second to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Your support helps us keep reporting the truth. In Nasir County, Nasir Commissioner appealed for police support. According to Nasir County, Upper State, the County Commissioner, James Gadwe-Jok, is calling on the national government to support local police with essential supplies. This appeal came during the first official police parade in Nasir town since camp returned after heavy conflict earlier this year in March 2025. Commissioner Gadwe said many police officers still lack basic items such as uniform, boot, equipment that were lost during the fighting. He told iRadio on Monday that without proper supply, it becomes difficult for police to serve the community effectively. He said, and I quote, "When you are a soldier, you must have boot. Some of our officers don't even have uniform. What we have is not enough." Gadwe confirmed that a formal request has been submitted to the police commissioner of Upper State and to the national authorities in Juba. He urged the national government to respond quickly, saying Nasir police officers are working hard to keep peace and order, but they need tools to do the job. He said the request is not only for Nasir but also for other counties in Upper Nile that have suffered from years of conflict and destruction. This appeal highlights one of the ongoing challenges in many local areas: lack of resources for law enforcement. Without boot, uniform, and equipment, police cannot effectively protect the people they served. Commissioner Garwin's message to Juba was clear: support your police so they can support your citizens. If you believe in the importance of peace and law enforcement in our nation, support our reporting by subscribing to Changfied. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on every story that matters to you. Now let's move to our final story, one that is creating political waves in capital Juba. Legitimacy crisis in Machar trial. A major legal and political dispute has erupted in Juba over the special court handling the case of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and 7 other SPLMIO members. During the court 9th session at Freedom Hall, Machar lawyer challenged the legality of the tribunal. They said the special court, which was created by a ministerial order on September 1st, had only a 1-month mandate from September 8 to October 8. According to the defense team, that mandate has now expired, making the court unlawful and incompetent to continue the trial. They demanded the immediate release of all SPLM-IO detainees, including Dr. Riek Machar himself. The defense lawyer argued that continuing session after the expiration date violates both national law and the revitalized peace agreement. Machar acting press secretary Post Both Balwang told reporter that the court has not yet ruled on their request, but has adjourned the hearing until October 15 to allow to seek an extension from the SPLM-IG side of the government. The SPLA-IO maintained that the tribunal was created as a political tool meant to undermine the peace deal and to target Dr. Machar leadership. In a statement shared by Balwang, the SPLM-IO described the court as a mechanism created to break the peace deal and conduct a political witch hunt. The special court was set up to investigate the March 2025 Nasir fighting, which resulted in the deaths of Lieutenant General Majudak and more than 200 soldiers from the SSPDF, including children and women that were targeted using helicopter, where they pour on incendiary chemical on innocent children as a revenge attack on SSPDF base when Nuerwai Army and SSPDF clashed in Nasir, that led to the death of Lieutenant General Major. Machar came and sees that the formation of this court fall outside the peace framework, and therefore it violates the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan. The next session is set for October 15, and all I will be watching whether the court receive a legal extension or face suspension due to lack of legitimacy. Observers say this crisis deepened political tension inside the unity government, especially between the SPLM-IG and SPLM-IO faction. This case has now become not just a legal battle, but also test of justice, peace, and political will in South Sudan. For now, we wait to see what happens when the court recovers. Changfied News will keep you updated as this story developed. And that brings us to the end of today's broadcast. We cover the heartbreaking attack in Tambura County, the police appeal from Nasir, and the growing legal tension surrounding Dr. Machar trial in Juba. If you found this report informative, please don't forget to subscribe to Changfied, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with others. Your support helps us continue to bring you accurate and independent news across South Sudan. Bia Kamal Guasame ka Changfied YouTube channel to kon kaler dang dok to bed bay to go liang. John yam bana ling bana racha ka ring michutu ogre wike Tambura County ke kotoria gwa mishane dang dok shaka negdin. Ne dang dok rona ka civilian. Jo rew man bana ling guasame bana raika jo mishala the Nasir County Commissioner kenegor ken kwak tin konti la kwak police ni te de loka ka re wike Nasir ala jukume. Diodian bana right ke special court Dr. Machar me shalatin kajan shanka waljok and paiwa bana jaling kajan jowa me akan kono ni ame jirame jidit gwase me gore jeno jin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi je support banora me bana jalat kel ka jom chalat gwase me Riek mi to ka Western Equatoria State chala do nena doran chalke Tambura County take ji widang Dr. Shanak 3 civilian chakanak dead drop ke chaka ambush ke Sunday karun wang Shiramdan Lakwer acting county commissioner Moses Kenetin Shanak Shekel kene wuna dangro ken jen kan ka Tambura wo ka dor mishal sinawere village men wo gatin wo kan gwas kunya ano te kan ne Shanak wina mi ku kan lo gileka kan ga shop cha kan dial shaganak ne kon nang na kane ti kan nga jeno kan ngane no kan ngach wa kan jel kan kamach ka chu kan dang dio yu kan kanak da do wa jen kan wo kan ka yubu gwad mi gwa kuinga meten winami ka chu kan dang dio ko to chu kare kuma yu kan chu jigan dara mo ne ko na sha gwain ke ku mas filayo wa kan tin content dong na kan dang dio ko to ne ka jen Tambura ka jodan chalat shala do shi civilian entama kene ko la jiwo watchi na do ala long re wucin winami ka do badanan jina ci liu gaje ka wa mai ka kwangnat kan nakana county commissioner sere shala do nena kane jo kane dial content winami ku mas pelayo amena SSPDF ano de ka korde kana palka de roine kan katukian ko de mal de jeno jo chala tongmi ne ko la local community chigala no ko toka ke naga na ka tabaro 7:30 am kurun wangalong ka chang wero ka paiwel cha jo ma cha jala deken ne tin ko na tega macha wa kan chikan motorcycle kana mobile ne ko ne kan nak chikan kanang chikan mobile nang ka chikan motorcycle ko ne ti ne dang dio ten jel kan ka motor kan dial ana wundang raw ka jen shek ka shekala mone kana dial ko ne chana gwada me kana ti kwirun kel run ken pe karun wal bangwana u karun ni jendang diok jen gwada na pe ketin shi community members chicken job mo jikala no Riek mo cha to ka chol kan kuma South Sudan no de ka mal de kan realika ka chol kan dial content mal pindian go no de kan mal kam kuma SPLIO kan kuma SSPDF de jalat police commissioner entere which ka Western Equatoria State Major General Philip Madu Tong chala do ne na general report mi ben ko office de ke gwada na tetin ajane konaten ba bine investigation ne lat ko bine netin korna kana bine ka gorno bine ka ngaje no kan ngane civil society activists en mun yakani cha jomo cha jala do ne me emi jaga long na me a violation of human right ajane abat chunganat jo dan chala gwasa me bele kuma SSPDF ken kuma SPLIO entere wike Tambura en ode ken kore ken palde ken lana mal kamniken janamite karek mala roda kam de ne karodian de kan lana jaka karwach ke dialogue chikan de goro de kana de kan kanak da domne kuma SPLIO gwada dana chaka gwantin no ye kan e contact tele jodian mishalat ka tele comment mi chikan mek banek are la kanane kan larno shina e kanite kona nakana ne kona ga shekan wundang ro kan kana kolat so mo gi kona me jere dan togre wishin winmi kan kono ni ame jiram jidit gwas me gorno jin be subscribe ka vi notification bell be jetwang komite ga ler mi bare be shamala shubuga ji gwas danen pailare Nasir County Commissioner gwas me te ka jomo chalat me bana linkel re dwara shalke Nasir ka panal tega mishalat mgono banwa ya keltin ka dob dan ci roy keja Nasir County Commissioner ka apnal Commissioner James Gadwe joke cha kwany and wo be Nasir be roy ka kuma kirm yadit ci Commissioner James Gadwe joke chala do wona kaniti ka national government ko de ka support de police ni ken de ka support ka kwakten kon gor kan gor kan kwaktla wari mane biyene police ne tetelga ka kanen tamati tie gone kan wode ka kamne kan man yaman gor ke long mich na ro de realika no ba polin ba ka realika ka gor ko dong de ka lat wede kan kula lat na tele ka wari te jelga ke ka ne tin tele ka uniform ne ka tele ka buni ka tele ka equipment chet ka me ke te kokien te de kan korde kan kula ter ka jo ma chaja lat ke chikana lar ai radio ka je lar no ne tel ne supplies ke tel ne kwak lo antam police ne tin tere kan Nasir wa tele ka kwak ku mo te kan kum kirm yadi la kum dien an wo dara ka mo ka kwak to ne akane na ran la ja go no mi jin police ke de la kwak tre la ka go la ran bune la ka gore so say ne nan wo de uniform de ka gor ko kan uniform de use ne kare wujin gwan ma ke tiji dong tiji de den cha expert ke tiji red tana tele ka kwak uniform no police ne so ko kuje mo stay ne kuma South Sudan ko der titi der kare ale ka Tinchen kuma kirma yadi den do de kamo ka kwak to tonten kone de police ne de kulengi ka kai shiga jawo mo chikana lat kanati kan kuma panal no de la national government and gor kan kwak tila kwak de ni ko de police ne tin content ter kan Nasir ko de kana kula gang de kan kwak kena to de kan ka gor cha jawo mo cha jala de kan commissioner gadwe cha message ye to kone de content ke juba no police ne gor kan kwak metela kwak tele do mo de kala de kan lat ke je shanga security and to operation winami chajo mo shajala de ken and me derga and wodi yana ling report da nan cha to in content ka Nasir County ka dom lar kan jen wo kan tele ka beni ka kuma kirmi yadit jo me der we kayya shana ben ga jawdo dien gwas me bana kwen kel and jo me ni bala mandana talk ray which no ka South Sudan bantin ko lat ko in gwas bana kelin ka jo mi chalat gwas me goro nywa ya kel no gwasan cha dakma char cha je luktin re wi ke juba ka joran chalat gwasame wa dakma char la kur ka asfilayu cha jo cha jalat ki cha jala netin konti la different lawyer ka she can judges can it kon la kwari which in winami she can ga jogano chenge dan e de dakma char de lugde de tu ka je kan shi chang mo shawa lar kenen go ka jan shangan bangwan dien shang logan bangwan dien janen lugo men shi je to ka shanga badda ka paywel ko gwade dane shangun paykel karwada atu ka shang badda ka pay bangwan wona ka shanga badda ka paywel mishi shang badda ke shop de lugo mo de ja kapchong janen wo wona ka woni am shi lugo dane loka ka jan shanga wal jok bene ka jan shanga wona ka shanga dane kala do batu go ja shang wal di kan na me ke liu che tire ngoni ko gwade dane roi na tin chala no tele mugoro ba look de ja continue ko ci chanke tok do no ci netin content re look tila kwar ci kala de wona na kani bikan net content la espila ji bikan glo tech ko de look ke court case de nin ga de ga yoniam ko teme ci ninte konte char la no ba look ba je tuka ke shike tok si doctor Gary Ramadan la different lawyer ka as well ayo pin Dr. Machar jela won madan lat ke dol ka freedom all mental ke special code ke ne si gware tok ke kuje mo malat ken tema chele la ngot jeno sikan ngot sikan ka bel kenen tema gone wo de Dr. Machar kana bonda ke liu de ka luñ lo de kan loar ko si lukya tok no kan judge ke ne konte la ji lok kan ngoki kan jongna no banu mo bajele ojek no ka jan shanga wa de chen be Machar acting press secretary Pogbot Balwang chala do nena jani telemish look chikana lat ka jan kwiro jadana chala no Dr. Machar de jalun ko chi look chi gware tok chika jongna no bana je ka shang wal de ka pai wal jan ta dan kan lat